Viewers, in this video, I will share two reports. First report is about the air strikes which Ethiopian Air Force is carrying out against Tigray Defense Force, and Getachew Reda statement about these airstrikes. Your second report is about Dessie and Kombolcha, where militia members are joining fight and moving towards front lines to fight against Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, as I have already reported that the Ethiopian military on Sunday carried out airstrikes in northern and western Tigray. Ethiopian government spokesperson Selima Wetkasa said the Sunday's air raids targeted a training and military command post of Tigray People's Liberation Front in Mesebre town in Western Front. A second raid struck the historic Adwa town where the Almeida textile factory was targeted. She said the same mission destroyed a separate facility in the northern town of Adwa, which was used to manufacture military equipment as well as fake military uniforms used by Tigray People's Liberation Front combatants. Whereas Mr. Getachew Reda confirmed the fresh airstrikes but said the raids did not target the military. He said Abiy Ahmed's Air Force did target a local hospital in Mesebre. Ironically, they also targeted what little is left of Almeida textile in Adwa. He further said the textile factory had been totally destroyed by Ethiopian and allied Eritrean forces months ago during their presence in Tigray. Some TPLF sources said the Ethiopia is deliberately destroying big industrial facilities, which are the economic sources and assets of the Tigrayan people. At least 3 people were killed and over 20 are injured since the Ethiopian military launched the aerial bombardment campaign in Tigray last Monday. Tigray People's Liberation Front accuses the government of targeting civilians, but Ethiopian government denied. Now let's move to the second report. If we talk about Dessie and Kombolcha, militia members and other civilians are heading towards the front lines. As you know, large number of Tigray Defense Force soldiers are present near Dessie. They have tried to enter Dessie from 3 different sides but remain unable to enter so far. Dessie and Kombolcha are the main targets of Tigray Defense Force in Amhara region. That's why Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara militias are present with heavy artillery. They know Tigray Defense Force will try again to enter Dessie. In the meanwhile, Amhara militia members from different parts of Amhara region are moving towards Dessie and Kombolcha to reach the front lines and fight against Tigray Defense Force. Viewers, for more latest reports, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for your precious time.